So schools from all over the district are coming to the mayor to take the flame, because it's Independence Day tomorrow, and then once they've done all their vivas, off they run to take the flame to the school, which can be many miles away. And then the next school comes up. Tomorrow is the actual Independence Day, where all of the schools that have been mostly drumming bands have been practicing for weeks will finally get to play. Off they go. And the next school comes up.